we stop on here talking about the continuation on GU bull trend. And I said we are around this range, which is this I. Yeah, this I. Here we have a sweep and a break of market structure. Then we have our liquidity right here. We have our liquidity right here. So I said I want price to take out this liquidity and sell a little. Price should use this point of interest actually. So then from this point of interest, we should have a little retracement back down before we have what? The continuation. And right here, we are within the range. So let's check 1 hour order flow to see where we will be stopping on the sale. So now, what I can see on 1 hour is we have this structure right here. Let's analyze the structure. We have this break. Okay. This break of market structure. We have this break. And we have this sweep. Then this liquidity. All right. So which means we have this range low. And we need our words, our range high. So we're going back to 15 minutes time frame to define the structure to check if I'll be having my words, my range high. My range high. All right, since this is my liquidity, so everything I will be doing here is I'll be expecting for price to take out this low. So take out this low. Okay, now let's define the next structure we have here. I think we have another swing points right here. We have this sweep. This break of market structure and this liquidity. So I'll just scale it down to 5 minutes, which is my entry time frame. All right, I have this structural liquidity on 5 minutes, and probably I should have another buy continuation from here, though not a long buy, because this is the main trend I am expecting a long buy from. So this is the main trend I am expecting a long buy from. So I'm looking for a break, waiting for price to break a swing low. I need this low to be taken out before I can consider my words. This as my swing high. All right. So from this low to this high, I have my trading range. And this as my liquidity. So probably I should have a sell move from this other block right here. From this other block to take out this low. And I think this very high. I'll wait for price. If I can take this this sell. Trading on that flow, we are within this range, this low and this high. Fine, this is the overall range. But this is another range here. We have this break of market structure right here, and we have this sweep, which makes this guy a strong low. This guy sweep this low and grow structure. So this is a strong low and this is a weak high. So I'm within this range for now. Fine, this is the overall from this low to this high is the overall range. But this is another new range. So I'm expecting price to take out this range low before I can look for a longer sell to this particular place. Fine. Trading my strategy, I can take this right here to this very low. But I want to follow the range strictly. And I don't want to lose anything to this particular pair. So I need to be very, very careful. And right here, let's check. Let's check our movements. So still waiting for price to give me a confirmation here or here to decide what I'll be doing. All right. So price has taken out this liquidity, the structural liquidity, and I have this particular loop. So I'm waiting for confirmation before I can take this trade. And I have another range right here. We have this sweep, break of market structure and liquidity. And this point of interest. So I'll be taking out my point of my CP at this place. Then targeting this liquidity will be my final target. So taking out all my TP here, expect price to take out this liquidity and sell to take out this low before we have this move. All right. So I have this confirmation already. I have this leg, this protected leg, and this liquidity. This protected leg and this liquidity. So this is going to be my point of interest. Then this as the silver stop loss. All right. So from this liquidity to this high, I have another sell range. So I'll be expecting for sale from this very high. Let's take out this final low. Then once I have the major break of this leg, fine. I know this is liquidity, this is sell side liquidity. But following the range, price will respect this range first before taking out this liquidity. So I need price to take out this before this area. Before this area can be used. So now let's see how it goes. All right. Let's see how it goes. Then I'm looking for a sell from this very place to take us this low. And from this low, once I have a break, that means I have a major break of this range. Since I have a major break, then I will expect price to go back to this main point before selling off to take out the last liquidity I'm expecting price to take out. All right. So final TPs, then I expected price to what? To come here. Okay. Price did not trigger me. Then we have the major break already. So everything here we serve as liquidity since I have the major break. So everything here we serve as the liquidity. Now looking at my structural liquidity, this I is going to be my structural liquidity for this other block, this point of interest. So using this area as my entry. Using this area as my entry. Then selling to rate this low. Because this is the liquidity around my trading range, around my point of interest. So this is my strong low and this is liquidity. So I expected price to take out this liquidity before I have another buy. Then once I have a buy confirmation, I'll be buying to take out this high. Okay, cool. And all right, I have another confirmation, which is this is the break, and this is liquidity. So I'll be expecting price to take out this liquidity and give me confirmation. We're expecting price to take out this liquidity and give me confirmation to raise this low. All right. Because no. You're moving fast. All right, because the confirmation already. So this liquidity has been taken out. This liquidity has been taken out. And I have this as my sweep. And this is a break of market structure. Meanwhile, we have the overall break, right? We have this break. So this is a break of market structure. And I have this sweep. This guy has my sweep. Which means price has given me a confirmation. Now, this very high, they now have liquidity. So this I should be taken out. And apart from this I not having liquidity, this I was the one that took out this liquidity. So it is going to turn to liquidity. This is what we call reliquidation. So this I will be taken out. Assuming this I have liquidity, I would have considered the liquidity. The liquidity would have prevented this I from what? From being taken out. So from this I, then my stop loss will be at the back here. This is another area, another protected area. So then we continue ourselves from this reliquidation I. This is reliquidation I. So it's not that clear this liquidity. So it should be taken out. And this is new week what? new week liquidity taken out. This is a new week high, and this one was the one that took out this new week liquidity. So this high that took out this new week liquidity will be taken out. I think I've explained that better. So the final TP still remain the same. 102 pips. This needs to be play. It should be play. All right. So there's another confirmation here. There's another confirmation here. Immediately we have this break. Immediately we have this break. This is a strong high. This is a sweep and a break of market structure. And we have liquidity below it. We have liquidity. So this point of interest is very, very far to this liquidity. So where is the nearest point of interest? This is another block. And we can see this breaker. So this breaker block is going to be what? The next point of interest, where price is going to what? Make use of this breaker. All right, so this liquidity is not preventing this breaker. So this is a strong point of interest. Same low. All right. So this low has been taken out. Price took out this low, and we have what? We can see we have a sweep and a break of market structure. So all I need now is liquidity. Fine, price has gotten to what? To my final range. It has gotten to my final range. So I'm looking for a confirmation to take out this I. To take out this I. And yeah, this thing is coming from higher time frame range also. So I'll be taking out this liquidity. I'll be using this liquidity as my final thing because I have another point of interest right here, which price can react to. This is another point of interest right here. Since this thing is coming from higher time frame, it should be very hard for me to just decide that I want to read this high. Assuming this retracement is not coming from higher time frame, it should have been easy. But I have this liquidity, and we have this sweep, this break, and I have this liquidity. So my finance CP should not pass here. Fine, I know this I will be taken out, but to prevent my capital and my profits, so it should not pass this area. Now, working with range, I have this break of market structure, and I have my other block already, but I need liquidity. I need liquidity that will prevent this other block from being taken out. All right. So I have liquidity here, and this is my liquidity. And this is my other block. Where am I going to? I'm going to this place as my final target. Final targets. I don't want to play fast because this thing is going beyond what I'm expecting. All right. Figured, and let's see. Okay. Now, this we are within this range, this sweep and this break and this liquidity. But fine, this is coming from higher time frame. So everything here will be taken out. These are just intermediate what structural point of interest. So everything will be taken out. So what I can see here is I have this QM, this Quasimodo line. If I have a confirmation here, if I have a rejection pattern here, then I can look for a sell. But if I don't have any rejection pattern, then I'll continue what my buy. But probably this is coming from higher time frame. So everything must be taken out. We only have just a retracement sell, either from this liquidity or from this Quasimodo. And here we have another confirmation. We have this sweep. This break of market structure, and this is my structural liquidity. My liquidity to prevent that this low. This very strong low. So this is another confirmation. And from here, I'll be taking another buy. Still the same targets. Still the same targets. And let's see. Okay, at this particular point, I don't have any good structure. I don't have any valid sales structure that will make me to look for a sell to take out this because what I can see here is just a consolidation. Price consolidated, a choppy market, then broke the structure. No sweep, no break, no valid break, like no liquidity, no sweep. So there's more tendency, there's high probability that everything here will be taken out. So this is not valid for me anymore because I don't have a strong structure from this point of interest. What I need is, I need something like this. I need something like this, a sweep, liquidity, and a break. Then price to take out this. Then I will know we have a new range to take out this move. But since we don't have that, this sell will be taken out. And the final target, fine, this is my final target. But I don't want to toy with this range. I don't want to toy with this range. And when I target it, all right, price already reacting to the other block. So for the new week, once price open, I'll wait for Asia section to play whatever thing it wants to play. Either giving me a sweep, a break. I need a sweep of the day for the new week, a sweep of the new week, or a sweep of the day. Then that will make me know if I'll still continue this buy or I'll look out for a sell. If I have a sweep like this, if I have this sweep and a break and liquidity, then I'll continue a sell. But if I have a sweep this way, a break and liquidity, then I'm going to continue the buy. So I'll be waiting for the sweep of a new day, which is this new week. I will wait for Asian to give me a new sweep before London opening to know my full direction, if I'll be buying or I'll be selling. So this is the price action for this week on GBPUSD. Thank you very much.